Alright guys, so now we're gonna start on the bike. I had to change of clothes, change of day because we just didn't have time the other day. So I'm gonna tear the bike apart. I'm gonna show you some little snippets here and there, me taking off a few things, the new parts, putting them together, and at the end you're gonna see the bike fully done. Hopefully I can finish it in a one-off shot, you know, tonight. But we'll see. Stay tuned. As you can see, this is how she looks like right now. It's so janky, it is bad. I got zip ties holding her up, like bolts missing, this whole side is broken. When it caught fire, these fairings weren't on, but they were, I don't know how to even say it. They were already pretty bad shape. I left the bike sitting for quite some time with them after the fire, and it just got worse and deteriorated because, you know, I didn't know if I was gonna keep the bike or not, and then obviously I did. I brought her back to life, but it was time for a new set, and let's get to it. So one of the mistakes I made the first time, I'm gonna make sure the battery's gone and out of the picture, disconnected, because that's what unfortunately caused the arc of the original accident. So I'm getting rid of that right now, so you learn from your mistakes, right? Alright, so I'm taking off the fairings. Might as well do an oil change while I'm here. I'm using Motel 300V 10W40. I always use it. I recommend it for your bike, especially if you know you're riding it aggressively. 300V is where it's at. If you're riding more commuter style, you can do 7100. And you don't have to do 300V because it's more expensive. But I'm gonna do an oil change right here while we're at it. Alright guys, I know it's kind of dark, it's kind of late on me. I got the gas tank off, rear fairings off, just need to get the front stay off. I'm going to clean the headlight a bit because I'm going to use the same headlight. Gas tank is about to be swapped, so I'm going to get that on video. I don't think I'm going to finish today, but I'm going to continue in a moment. Alright guys, so I've completed some of the bike. Look at that seat cowl, looks freaking awesome. The tail section is always a pain in the butt to freaking put on. The tank, unfortunately, because I got the tank painted somewhere else compared to where obviously all the fairings were painted, the color match is not exact, but you know what, I'm not mad at it. And it's kind of hard to match paint. I have the driven gas cap. I still got a bit to go. I haven't even finished the front yet. You know, I got to put the front and the front fairings together. But it's coming along. So I should do it tomorrow. I'm also gonna sand down the front headlight and get some clear back in it, you know, make that headlight nice and bright again, and yeah, we'll get that going. You know, you always think you're gonna get the fairings done pretty quickly, but in the end you don't. But it's alright, I'm having fun with it, enjoying my tunes, getting the bike ready. I can't wait to finally ride it once it's all together and give it a nice test ride and get some photos in. So I'm going to continue that tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so it is the next day now. I'm going to continue on the bike. I did notice a few things that are damaged with the bike, and see, this is why you should always inspect your bike as you're working on it consistently, because you can find little things here and there. I do have a cracked coolant reservoir. The extra coolant where it goes, the bottle itself is cracked, so I can't put any coolant in there. Luckily, that's just a reservoir for, you know, the extra when it you know, gets too hot, it goes in there. But I am gonna need to replace it, because obviously I'm still in the middle of summer, and when it gets hot and that coolant goes in there and it leaks, I'm gonna be burning coolant all over my fairings and possibly myself. So I'm gonna get that replaced. I'm gonna show you that damage, and then I'm gonna continue on the bike. So as you can see right there, cracked right on the edge, and there is no coolant in there right now. But I checked my coolant level on the bike, it is good, but I am gonna have to replace that bottle pretty much ASAP. I really want to replace it, honestly. Before I put these fairings on, I wish I had known, but I kind of getting a little overzealous and I want to get the fairings on. So the bike's been running fine. I only ride at night really, and in the daytime, if I do, I ride pretty short, so it'll be fine so far, but I am gonna replace that soon. So I put the left side fairing together. Still just missing the lower, which I'm about to put on right now, but man, it's looking so clean. So good. Alright, so I put some heat shield on the new fairing piece. I tried mimicking my old one. I made sure to cover up more because last time I didn't, and it burnt into the fairing, so I'm making sure I'm doing it this time, and that's left side done. So I got the headlight assembly going on soon. I used some very fine sandpaper to kind of sand the front headlight out and then polish it a little bit, give it a little bit of a newer look. But yeah, look, it's looking clean. Alright guys, so look at that. The front is on. Just got the side fairings left. I obviously got the left side done. I just need to do the right side. I wanted to do the front first before I do the second side fairing, just because the front stay is just kind of difficult for me. So she's looking good. Look at that windscreen. Can't wait. Day 2, putting the fairings on, and it is finally done. I'm going to show it to you right now. They look amazing. I had to make some adjustments here and there because I didn't have all the screws. Pro tip, definitely keep all your screws, clips, whatever you have of your old fairings. Even if your old fairings are damaged, use them, keep them, because they come in handy, especially if you don't want to buy another like bolt kit and stuff like that. But I made it work, and I'm gonna show you right now. Guys, the big reveal. Here she is. Alright guys, as you saw, the fairings are done. I am sweaty like hell. I am covered in grease, oil. I'm going to take a shower, put everything away, and I'm going to take it for a test ride, make sure everything's good to go. I am so happy how these fairings came out. ABS fairings did a great job with the paint job, and our logo's on there. So again, if you want to buy some fairings, go to their link. I'm going to put it in the description below. We also have a discount code, so we'll put that up there as well, so that if you want to buy your full fairing kit or whatever you need from them, you can get a discount on us on 2 motos. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe, please. Every subscription and every like helps us a ton. You know, we do this not only for ourselves but for you guys, because we want to share this for everybody, you know. So hope to see you on the next video, and I'm going to show you a next video when I take her up to the canyons. Peace out.